So we were looking at this windows that are available in this MATLAB, right? Now what we will do, we will try to use MATLAB as a calculator. So we'll say if you want to know the sum of 2 and 3, so it is 5. So when you don't assign any variable, you can see it takes a default variable, that is ans answer is 5. So when you sum this 2 and 3, you will get 5. Now if you redo if you perform any another calculation, such as say 2 into 3 plus 5, okay, here into you are going to use for multiplication, you are going to use star symbol. Now what you will get is that is 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now here you can see in workspace the variable is overwritten. The earlier the variable ans is 5, now it is overwritten as 11. So here you can perform this without giving any variable, but when you perform another operation, the answer variable is overwritten, right? So to avoid this, we need to assign variables in MATLAB, and you can override these variables in later if you want. Okay, for suppose I am giving a value a is equals to the sum of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5, say multiplied by 5, then the value of a is 70, right? Here you can see in the workspace the variable is given a value of 70. So it's the variable value is given as 17. You always click on this workspace, so you can get the value of a, that is a is 17. You can close it also. Now say for suppose I want another variable c, that is the sum of a, that is small a, and 9. So you can get 153, that is the sum the product of 7 and 9, sorry 11 sorry 17 and 9 is 153. So you can see in workspace the variable c is saved, so it is not overwritten here, right? So when you give a variable, you can always save that variable in the workspace, and you can call that variable whenever you want, right? Now we will see some basic commands in the MATLAB. So one of them is CLC, right? If you perform the CLC, whatever the commands you have given in the command window were cleared. CLC, yes, CLC, that means command one clear. So if you want the commands or variables that are saved in the workspace also to be removed, you can give another command, that is clear all. If you enter clear all, then there are no variables in the workspace. You can see here the workspace is all the variables in the workspace are deleted, right? Now so you are now aware of this CLC and clear all. Now you can use semicolons. What is the use of semicolons also? Say if I want to assign a value b, a is equals to 9. If I don't want to see a is equals to 9 in the command window, but I want to see in the workspace, if you press enter, here you can see a is equal to 9, a is equals to 9 given in the command window. But if you don't want to see this, you can just a is equals to 9 and you can give a semicolon, so that the value of a is equal to 9 is not shown in command window but is represented in workspace. Here you can see, right? A is equal to 9 is not shown here. So now I want to give b is equals to say some value of 89 and give semicolon, and c is equals to some value of say 23, then semicolon. Now I want a variable d, which is the product of a, b, c, say a into b into c. Now if I put semicolon, the value of d is not shown here, but it can be shown here. It can be seen in workspace, that is 1824 18423. So I recommend the students to perform this while you are watching the video. If you perform, you will be easily able to understand the commands or as well as the working mechanism of this MATLAB, right? First, now we'll see. Before that, we will clear all the commands and clear the workspace also, so we can enter in matrices. Clear all, right? So now I want to enter a matrix. Say A is equals to. So if you enter a matrix in MATLAB, you have to use these brackets, square brackets, not parentheses. You have to use square brackets. If you are giving square, means it is taking in matrices. Say I am want to develop a single matrix, a single row matrix. You can say 1 2 3. Now we'll see 1 2 3. So A is a single row matrix 1 2 3. Now I want a single column matrix. So if you want to convert any row into column, what we have to do, we'll see. Say B is equals to this 1. You have to give colon 2 colon 3. So colon converts it into a row. Now we see. Sorry, here we did something mistake. We'll see B is equals to this, that is 1, you can say comma 2 comma 2. Yes. So instead of colon, you have to use semicolon to convert a singular matrix. Say this is a matrix consists of single column. Similarly, you can create a single column matrix, that is C is equals to say 9 semicolon 9 semicolon 9, then you can get C. So C is a semicolon one column matrix, that is single column matrix. Similarly, B is a one row matrix, single row matrix. This is a single column matrix. So you have to use semicolon to turn convert row into a column, right? Now we will try to enter the 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 2 matrix, CLC. Then we will also try to clear our workspace, clear all. Now say this section we will continue in the next video.